Hey guys, today you're checking out stock number 301684, and this is a 2026 Sierra 1500 Crew Cab Denali, and our color is Downpour Metallic. Let's take a look inside at some of our interior features that we've got on the unit. We've got power windows, mirrors with folding mirrors, power locks, memory seat with a power driver's seat and lumbar support. Got our parking brake 4x4 controls, interior and exterior lighting controls, a HUD with HUD settings, a power telescopic steering wheel, which also includes heat, forward collision alert, cruise control settings, hands-free and stereo remote controls. We are satellite radio ready. Got our push start ignition, electronic and dual climate control with heated and vented front seats. Got our lane keep assist, parking assist, auto start stop, tailgate release, traction control, and hill descent control. A couple USB charging ports, an automatic transmission, and a parking brake. We are also OnStar ready. We've got our sunroof and rear window controls with garage door openers, and our interior color is jet black. Moving on to our rear passenger features, we've got power windows, the 60/40 split bench seat, which also comes heated, a couple USB ports for your rear passengers, and some extra storage compartments for you. And onto our exterior, we've got our running boards, 20-inch GMC rims. We've got the tailgate step with the rear parking aid, a multi-gate tailgate with a rear view camera, which is also fob released, a spray-on box liner, there you go guys, that's stock number 301684. You've just checked out this Downpour Metallic 2026 Sierra 1500 Crew Cab Denali. Thanks for watching.